Hello. Are you looking for some landscaping tips for the month of February? My name is Eli Hall. I'm with AMS Landscaping. That's exactly what this video is about. February is a great month for landscaping. It's right before the springtime really starts to kick in. So there's a lot of things that can be done to get in preparation just for the growing season. February is a great month to cut back any of your deciduous trees or shrubs or anything that maybe took some frost this winter. A great time to do that. Cutting it back is the month of February. It's great month to do that. It's just in preparation for the new growth and of course springtime. February is also a great time to plant warm season flowers. Like if we're going to be going to the summer season, spring and summer months, this is a great time to plant like your flowering shrubs, annuals that can survive better in the summer months. This is a great time to start considering looking into possibly replacing some of those old annuals. Adding a layer of mulch to any of your beds. This is a great time. It's a transition between seasons to do that. It's a great time to do that just because you're going to get more organic growth. It's going to conserve moisture, which helps going into our warmer months. You also, on that note, you want to check your irrigation system. We're going to be going into growing season. It gets really hot here in Phoenix. You want to make sure your system is working up wonderfully, properly, without any issues, so that when it gets hot, you don't go without water to your plants in the summer months. This is a great time just before the spring season to get that nitrogen-based fertilizer in the ground, ready for the warmer months. So when it kicks in, it's absorbing those nutrients and just giving your plants and landscape just better growth through the spring and summer months. Inspect your plants for pests and disease. This is a great time to do it. There's going to be that transition, like I said, for the seasons, and doing that at this time of year is a great time just to address those issues. Just doing an overall cleanup. I mean, there's a lot of leaf shed that happens in the wintertime. So if you want to make sure you pick up a lot of dead leaves that have been sitting around that collect maybe, disease or pests, even mold sometimes gets collected in there. So cleaning all that out is good to get started for the new season. It's just a great overall season to plant shrubs, and being conscious of using drought tolerant shrubs for our climate here in Arizona, just because water is such a precious resource. But February is a great time to plant shrubs. So any type of planting, shrubs, trees, anything. We're going to go into our growing season. It's going to give the best opportunity for those roots to get established before it gets really hot in our summer months. And then, of course, the extreme colds the following winter. So giving it a good head start. The month of February is a great month for planting. Also, just remember, keep weeding your yard. This is, we had a lot of rain through the winter time. Putting down pre-emergence, keeping on top of that right now is great, just so that you prevent weeds going into the summer. They're going to have a new set of weeds that are growing in the spring and summer months, and having that pre-emergent down as things warm up is just going to make your life a lot easier if the weeds are under control at your yard. I hope these tips were helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us here at azlawns.com. Our company's AMS Landscaping. Also follow us on YouTube and Facebook at AMS Landscaping. Check us out on Twitter and Instagram at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.